Hello, viewers, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And we continue to take a look on what's happening in the nation without fear, without favor. Looking at Dr. Walter Muzembe, there is a general belief that there is a deliberate plot to take out his life. I'm not so sure why these comrades they feel threatened by one of their own comrades, and that is the couch of ZANU-PF. Ndozvavari takazviona vachitsvairana, vana Parents Shiri vakaenda, vana Sibusiso Moyo vese vakaenda. Vamwe vaingonzwa kuti maaccidendi, vamwe vainzwa kuti covid, zvirwere zvakasiyana siyana zvese zvakanga zvichiitika. That is ZANU-PF for you. But what is very, very critical at this point is to know that Dr. Walter Muzembe is so sick. The man is not feeling too well, and he has been admitted to hospital as we speak right away. So this is critical. This is something which we need to talk about right here, because it has been reported by Dr. Sunday Kamanga that Dr. Walter Muzembe has been admitted at Remand Hospital. But the other news which we have received so far is that Dr. Walter Muzembe is actually admitted at Parenyatwa. That is the other news which we have seen circulating. I'm not so sure about the authenticity of that message, but that is the message which has been circulating today, the 2nd of August. We are being told that Dr. Walter Muzembe is admitted at Parenyatwa Hospital, and is having complications which include heart complications. And the question is, vanhu vari kuda kuti vaMuzembe vatange vafa here kuti vagofara? You know, personally, I wouldn't hold Dr. Walter Muzembe in Zimbabwean hospitals in that condition, knowing fully well that we are incapacitated to take care of him. If they were capacitated, they would have dealt with these issues a long time ago. There is no medication to talk about. Kuparenyatwa, kugomo hospital, kumasvingo general, kwese kwamungafunga hakuna mishonga inogona kuita kuti varume vange vachirapwa. Why can't you allow him to go where he can be treated? Remember, he has been in exile. He voluntarily came to Zimbabwe. Whether you invited him or not, what happened is that he came to Zimbabwe on his own. So why can't you simply respect that and make sure that he goes and accesses medical health? Izvozvo zvinhu zvakakosha izvozvo munhu ogona kunga achibatsirika, because medical help which comes in time, it saves a stitch. That is something which is very, very important. So when you are looking at the story of Dr. Walter Muzembe, it's a very, very sad story. You know, you can't even explain it so well. Kuti munhu anorwara, arwara osvika pakutambudzika sematambudziko ari kuita vaMuzembe, and no one cares about that person within the system. Iwo chavanenge vachiti chero takamubata chete, as if it's his collateral. His collateral to what exactly? Because at the end of the day, you will see these people acquitting each other. You will see him being acquitted. Ndo chinhu chinorwadza ichocho chekuti munhu unoita seucharasikirwa neupenyu, unopotsa warasikirwa neupenyu, wakavharirwa uchivhiringidzwa only to be acquitted. So it's very, very painful. It pains me to see such situations happening. This is the picture of Dr. Muzembe, very fit, vakanyatsosimba, vakanyatsoti gwindiri. But at this point in time, no one knows kuti vanopapona here kana vakaramba vakabatwa nezvigananda seizvizvi, vakaramba vakavharirwa nezvigananda. So what we need to do is we need to continue to pray that at a certain point in time they will need to release him. Let us continue to pray that they release him so that he can go and access better medical attention. It's not a matter of him being a ZANU-PF person or whatsoever. Vakatadza kuvaka zvipatara, yes, but ngavamubvumidze aende anorapwa. It's better tizotongana naMuzembe kana ane mhosva dzaakapara ari mupenyu. Muda kuzotonga makuwa here? That is a very important question which we have. You want to come and preside over a dead man? You know that you don't have the medical facilities which can take care of Dr. Walter Muzembe. at this point in time, according to the disease yaainayo, akazvimba moyo, dai mamuine ma-conditions are conducive, it was going to be better. So this is a call to action, a call to prayer, a call to sympathy, and a call to unity kuana eZimbabwe kuti ngatibatanei tinamatire Dr. Walter Muzembe. Things are not okay, and if he continues like this muhospital mavari, you might hear the other side of the story. And I know kuti people will always say aigodi nguva inenge yasvika, but munhu anenge atofa, munhu anenge asingachadzoka, and that will be the story forever and ever, and it won't end well. So this is what is happening in Zimbabwe. My biggest question is, what will these people think kana rimwe nerimwe gore nerimwe zuva if they are held against their own will, just like what they are doing to Honorable Dr. Walter Muzembe? You know, how are they going to feel? Look at Edgar Lungu. He was doing the same to Hakainde Hichilema, but when he died a miserable man, simply because he was not a good man to others. Look at what is happening in Botswana. There are recent examples in Botswana where the Botswana president was having meetings, attending funerals, and whatsoever, together with the former president akanga achivictimizedwa neuyo akazobviswa manje nevanhu vekubotswana. And you go to Kenya, I was seeing former president Kenyatta with President Ruto. I was seeing them together in the State House just a few hours ago. That is what must happen. Kwete kuti mabuda mpawa maagonzo nachingaya, mabuda mpawa maakumhanyisana maakuita sei. It must not happen in such a way. So, except for criminality, vanhu vanenge vakabawo mari dzenyika ngavadzose. Problem yevanhu eZANU-PF here, kusungwa kwaanaSamuel Ndenge, wozonzwa kuti apardonwa nesemu system inenge yakamusunga iyoyo, and you ask questions, saka makambomusungirei? So this is what is happening in Zimbabwe. It's so sickening, so painful that Dr. Walter Muzembe is actually critically sick as we speak right away. And we are being told that he has been admitted at Parirenyatwa recently. So this report, it was from Dr. Sande Kamanga, who reported that he was on Pakorimand Hospital. But we are being told that he has been transferred to Parirenyatwa Hospital because his condition has become more critical. Vari kunzi vakazvimba moyo uye zvinhu hazvinyatsofamba zvakanaka, zvinhu hazvinaomera zvakanaka. And we need to be in solidarity with each other for really. So a lot is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Remember, they are running scared. That is the reason why they are intimidating everybody, and they think that using money is going to gain them favor in the eyes of the people. This is what is happening. Let us talk in the comment section.